Hi, David here with David and Eva Lise. Would you like to know how to create and run your own Facebook ad? In particular, a Facebook likes ad for your business fan page. I'll be happy to show that to you right now. I'm just going to share my screen with you. And the first thing you want to do is come up here to the top right hand corner of your Facebook toolbar, and if you scroll down here, you'll see where it says Manage Ads. Well, we want to select on Create Ads. So we'll click on Create Ads, and that will take us right on into the Facebook Ads Manager. And the first, what's nice about this is it takes you through this very linear queue, and as you move through the process, there's a column on the left-hand side of your screen, the campaign column, and the ad set, and then the ad. It'll highlight each of those items as you move through the process. The first part is your marketing objective. What are you trying to accomplish in running this particular ad? Well, we've already mentioned we want to run a likes ad, and for that we're going to click on the engagement tab here, and when we do that, we will see this show up towards the bottom of the screen. Under engagement, you have three smaller components: post engagement, page likes, event responses. Obviously, we want to select page likes and hit continue. As I've already mentioned, you need a Facebook fan page in order to actually run an ad in Facebook. And so here you'll see a drop down, assuming you have a fan page. If not, you'll need to go and create one first before you can do this. But I'm going to select the fan page that I want to create my ad for. And then from there, I want to move down into audience selection. Now, the Ads Manager does allow you to create what's called a custom audience, but the fact that we're running a Facebook likes campaign, I'm not going to concern myself with that right now. I just simply want to identify a location. And for this purpose, because I live in the United States and I speak English, I'm going to target the United States in this case. If you happen to live in another country or are targeting another country, prospects in another country, then select that particular country. Yes, you can put in more than one country here, but my advice is you always want to be testing. And so if I put in multiple countries here, I'm not necessarily going to know which country I'm getting my likes from. So if you do happen to want to get likes from another country, you should simply run another ad campaign selecting only that other country. Okay. Ages, I'm going to select ages 20 to 65 plus. I want to keep it real broad here. Gender, all, but if you're, again, targeting only men or only women, you can select either of those two. And then, as I've already mentioned, my language is English. You want to make sure you put in a language. It doesn't make sense if you're not targeting Spanish speakers. It doesn't make sense to target Spanish speakers or French or Russian or Chinese or any other language. But if you are, great, then go ahead and include those other languages if you happen to speak those languages, obviously. Detailed targeting. Well, this is where you can actually narrow down the type of people you're looking for. So Eva Lise and I were in the home business industry, so we're looking for maybe someone who's looking for opportunities to work from home. But you can put in pretty much anything that you can think of in terms of the people you want to target to be more definitive in those people you're looking for. You can also exclude people. So you can click here and put in the demographic, interest, or behavior of people who you definitely are not targeting. That's pretty cool. Now, you also want to make sure that if that you don't target people that already like your page, since this is a likes campaign. So you want to make sure that you exclude people who like, in this case, David and Evilise. And then we can save this audience right here. And that will take us into the next section of the Ads Manager, which is the daily budget. Now, daily budget is, we'll just keep it daily, but you can run an ad for as little as $5 a day. And if you're just starting out, you probably just want to start there. It all depends on your budget and what you're looking to accomplish. But if you're just starting out, I would definitely maybe test things out, set it at $5, and see what happens. I'm going to run my ad set continuously, and you can always shut it off at any time if you think if it's not working. But you definitely want to give it a couple, 2 or 3 days, and see what's happening with your ad before you decide to shut it off. And it's okay. I mean, you're not going to hit a home run every single time, but definitely for me, I like to especially if I have a likes ad that's working, I'll just let that thing continue to run as long as it's not going beyond our budget. So if I run this ad for 1 week, obviously at $5 a day, I'm going to spend no more than $35. I'm looking for page likes. The bid amount, you can put in a manual bid, but Facebook is really good about finding those people that are going to like your stuff. So in this case, I'm just going to let Facebook determine the bid and leave it at automatic. And when you get charged for impressions here, and then it gives you some more options, you can actually set that to page like. And so what I'm doing here is I'm actually saying, hey, I only want to get charged if I actually get a page like. So I've changed that. And I've already said I'm going to run ads all the time. Delivery type is standard, and I'm going to continue. All right, and so the last screen is the single image screen. And what I want to point out here is that when you load this page, your fan page banner will automatically be loaded. And I just wanted to say that this looks too much like an ad. And so what you want to probably do is go ahead and change this. And you can go and upload any of a number of other images that that you have in your library. Okay, so and as you can see, you don't want any copy on here because Facebook doesn't like copy, or they don't want copy exceeding more than 20% of the actual image. So just having a nice clean image is going to be preferable. And then you want to have your copy up here. You can change what you want to say right here in this text box. You can say whatever you want there. And, essentially, that's pretty much it. You come down here and you can put in a button if you'd like, but for the most part, you're trying to get likes. And so whatever copy is really, really important. And what I want to say right here is you just want to be really, really be poignant. Get right to the point. You don't want anything too lengthy here. I misspelled that. Be poignant. I'm having trouble. There we go. And then you can give a call to action like our page. And let's start a conversation. Something like that. And then the other thing, I think I need to go back because I think I missed one thing, and that is placements. Oh, yeah. I forgot this part. This is really important. It will always default to automatic placements. And I want to, on a likes campaign, edit the placements. In other words, if you leave it on automatic placements, Facebook will show it everywhere. Now, while that might seem like a good thing, it's been shown that you're going to get the most likes for here we go, for mobile only. That's what you want for a likes campaign. Select mobile only, and that way you're only paying for likes that you get on mobile devices. And what that's going to do ideally is it's going to drive down your cost, keep your costs under control. I mean, ideally you want to be paying somewhere between 30 to 50 cents per like. And so what you can then do is come over here to the ad preview, and there it is. Boom. This is what it would look like on a mobile news feed, or here's on a feature phone. But here it is. It's sponsored. Here's our image. You've got your copy here. Again, be poignant. Say something that's going to get people's attention and get right to the point. And boom, there's the like icon, the thumbs icon. So that's all you're looking for to get likes. Keep it simple, and then just when you're done and you're ready to place the order, bam, hit that place order button, and Facebook will approve your ad, and you're off to the races. Anyhow, I hope that helps. This is David with davidandevelyst.com. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.